Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Capcut lagging while editing. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the Capcut application. And now from here, you can just simply click on the settings over here on the top right. And now go for the settings. Now here on the settings, go for the project. And as you can see, we will have a cache size, which is 1 GB, which is very huge. So guys, from here, just simply select this delete icon and just simply delete all of the cache files that you have in order for your CapCut to be more faster. And now another one is go for the performance over here. And if you have a proxy size as well, you could just simply select delete over here. And also you could just simply go check this one, speed of hardware encoding, decoding, and the render interface with GPU in order for you to increase its performance. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and just simply click on save. See ya.